The brake warning light is one of the most critical safety indicators on your dashboard. When this light appears, it signals potential issues within your vehicle's braking system that require immediate attention. The brake warning light can be triggered by several factors. The most common cause, accounting for 60 to 70% of cases, is low brake fluid level. Other causes include worn brake pads, parking brake engagement, brake system pressure loss, or ABS system faults. Modern vehicles use a dual-circuit brake system for safety. This system has two independent brake circuits. The warning light activates when a pressure difference is detected between these circuits, ensuring you maintain some braking capability even if one circuit fails. When the brake warning light appears, start with an immediate safety assessment. First, ensure the parking brake is fully disengaged. Next, test the brake pedal for normal feel and travel. The pedal should feel firm and not travel too far to the floor. The brake fluid inspection is critical. The fluid level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. The fluid should appear clear to light amber in color. Dark, thick, or contaminated fluid indicates the need for immediate professional attention. Here's a practical example of checking brake fluid level in a Honda Ridgeline. The reservoir is clearly visible in the engine bay, and you can easily see the fluid level markings. This visual inspection is the first step in diagnosing brake warning light issues. Remember, the brake warning light is your vehicle's way of alerting you to potential safety issues. These initial checks help you assess the situation quickly and determine if immediate professional service is needed. Never continue driving if you notice spongy brakes, fluid leaks, or unusual pedal behavior. When initial checks don't resolve your brake warning light, systematic component inspection is the next step. We'll examine each critical component methodically to identify the root cause. First, inspect your brake pads visually through the wheel spokes. Brake pads must have at least 3 millimeters or 1/8 inch of thickness remaining. This image shows the different wear levels. Green indicates good condition, yellow shows moderate wear, and red means immediate service is needed. Next, examine brake lines and hoses for signs of damage. Look for corrosion, cracks, swelling, or any visible deterioration. These images show examples of problematic brake lines. Rust and corrosion like this can lead to brake failure and must be addressed immediately. If brake fluid level was low, add the appropriate .T rated brake fluid to the correct level. Always use the fluid type specified in your owner's manual, typically .3 or .4. Fill only to the maximum line, never overfill. After adding fluid, start the engine and pump the brake pedal 10 to 15 times. This helps distribute the fluid and remove air from the system. Then turn the ignition off and on to reset the system, and test drive at low speed to verify the warning light has cleared. If the warning light persists, try the battery disconnect method. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes to reset the vehicle's computer system. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and allow the system to self-calibrate. Critical safety reminder: if you experience spongy brakes, visible fluid leaks, grinding noises, or if the brake pedal travels to the floor, stop driving immediately and seek professional service. These symptoms indicate serious brake system problems that require immediate attention.